I'm Chris Kubal. Here's a look at your Local 5 weather impact forecast. Stuck with blue sky, mild conditions as we move throughout the next week and a half long stretch. A little bit of a temperature drop, but only subtly so, and really limited in our rain chances in the days ahead. Now the planner here for tonight, taking those temperatures back down to the 70s, rebounding nicely as we go into Wednesday. Perfect pool weather, upper 80s, close to 90 degrees, sun-filled skies. And we're going to hold that tone for the rest of the week with those mild temperatures. Now, each evening, we'll watch for a couple of pulsing pop-ups as we get very close to the temperature to allow convection to spark off up into northern Iowa. Some of this trying to descend south towards US 20 overnight into early tomorrow morning, but won't sustain itself, fading away. Then we'll do it again for Wednesday evening up to the north, trying to drift southwards. Now, there's not a lot of change in the daily sensible weather going forward. We have a big ridge of high pressure settled over the middle of the nation, and that means pretty quiet conditions. On the edges, though, just off each coast, areas of low pressure there, and what that's doing is help bottlenecking this jet stream. It's a blocking pattern. We call this an omega block due to the pattern that it takes shape as, the jet stream does, I should say. And a lot of that north to south movement is not good for keeping things progressive. Makes it very stagnant, an atmospheric traffic jam, if you will. So not a lot of change on the day-to-day. We have mid and upper 80s for now. For tomorrow, probably going to be the warmest. We'll start at 65 degrees, 88 for the afternoon high. Sunny, mild conditions, upper 80s to about 90 degrees, and we'll take off a couple of degrees going into Thursday with some mid and upper 80s. But by and large here in this extended outlook, we're keeping the summery vibes going, 80s all around. And while you do see a couple of small percentages here and there, that is all going to be fairly minor in the grand scheme of things. Rainfall lottery type activity, if you will. Many, in fact, most will not see anything over the better part of the next 10 days. Pretty slim pickings in that department. By the end of this stretch, we will once again be needing a healthy dose of rain.